Welcome to How to Develop Clairvoyance and Psychic Abilities. In this video, discover practical tips to unlock your psychic potential. From meditation to dream journaling, set clear intentions and build personal awareness. Learn accessible techniques to enhance your intuition, navigate life with clarity, and tap into unseen energies. No mysticism, just everyday practices for anyone to incorporate. Share this journey with others and leave your experiences below. Let's embark on a transformative exploration together. Have you ever desired to unlock your psychic potential and enhance your intuition? Today, we'll delve into practical tips and techniques that can help you develop clairvoyance and other psychic skills, empowering you to connect with your intuition and the unseen world. Consider your regular senses, sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. Now envision clairvoyance and psychic abilities as the next level, akin to turning up the volume on your perception. Clairvoyance isn't a mysterious occurrence. It resembles having an amplified sixth sense. Instead of solely relying on your eyes, you begin to perceive information beyond the obvious, as if possessing an extra set of eyes to discern overlooked details. Psychic abilities go beyond mere sight, encompassing skills like clairaudience, hearing beyond normal sounds, and clairsentience, feeling energies or emotions. It's comparable to unlocking new channels on your internal perception TV. So, why invest time in developing these abilities? It's akin to possessing a concealed toolkit for life. These abilities offer insights into situations and people, helping you understand yourself better and providing a kind of cheat code for understanding others. It's not about predicting the future or performing magical feats. Rather, it's about attaining a heightened level of perception. Psychic abilities aren't exclusive. Anyone can tap into them. Essentially, understanding psychic abilities involves acknowledging that there's more to perception than meets the eye. By unlocking these additional layers, you gain a profound understanding of the world around you. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Now, let's delve into the practical steps for developing these psychic abilities. It's not about engaging in mysterious rituals. Instead, it involves accessible and straightforward techniques. Meditation is the foundational tool, not requiring you to sit cross-legged and chant. Instead, it's about calming your busy mind, eliminating noise to hear your inner self more clearly. Find a tranquil space, sit comfortably, and allow your mind to settle. Think of it as a spa day for your mind. Having a mentor or teacher is like having a guide on this journey. It's not about someone telling you the answers. It's about learning from their experience. They've walked the path and can point out the bumps and shortcuts, much like having a friend who knows the ropes and is there to help you along. Here's a simple one. Keep a dream journal. Your dreams are like a window to your subconscious, and by jotting them down, you're creating a map of your inner world. Fine-tune those psychic abilities, adjusting them like you would a radio to get the clearest signal. Setting clear intentions is like deciding where you want to go before starting a journey. It's about telling your mind, this is what we're focusing on. Practice is key. It's about regularity, like any skill. The more you do it, the better you become. It's not a one-time thing. It's a habit. Consistency is your friend on this journey of fine-tuning. Persistence and dedication are the backbone of honing psychic skills. It's not about expecting instant results. It's about understanding that growth takes time, much like planting seeds. Think of your psychic abilities like a muscle. If you want it to be strong, you need to use it regularly. If you want your psychic senses to be sharp, you need to flex them often. It's not about pushing too hard. It's about a steady, gradual progression, like turning up the volume bit by bit. Remember, this is not a race. There's no finish line to cross. It's about the journey itself. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. It's like climbing a mountain, one step at a time. Fine-tuning psychic abilities is about having a clear direction, practicing regularly, and being persistent and dedicated. It's like tuning an instrument. The more you tweak, the clearer the sound. Now, let's delve into the essence of cultivating personal awareness. It's about understanding yourself and your surroundings on a deeper level. One way to do this is by building a relationship with your intuition. It's not some mystical force. It's that inner knowing we all have, like tapping into your own wisdom. Daily practices are your tools here. Simple exercises, such as associating colors with emotions, help you become more in tune with your feelings. Environmental scans might sound fancy, but it's about paying attention to your surroundings. What energies are present, and how does the environment affect you? It's like being aware of the vibes around you. Understanding these aspects helps you navigate your day with a clearer perspective. Respecting personal energy boundaries is crucial. It's not about building walls. It's about knowing what energies you want in and what you want to keep out. Think of it as setting healthy limits for your mental and emotional space. This personal awareness journey is about balance. It's not about diving into the deep end all at once. It's gradual, like turning up the brightness on a dimmer switch each day. A little more awareness, a little more understanding. Consider it like learning a new language. At first, it might seem unfamiliar, but with daily practice, it becomes a part of you. Personal awareness is not a destination. It's an ongoing process. The more you engage, the more it becomes second nature. Now, let's tap into a simple yet potent and often overlooked tool on our psychic journey: mindful breathing. It's not about complicated techniques. It's about using your breath to anchor yourself in the present moment. Mindful breathing helps calm the mind, creating a space for clearer perceptions. It's like hitting the refresh button for your thoughts. Find a comfortable spot, inhale slowly through your nose, feel your lungs expand, and exhale gently. Repeat. It's that easy. This practice enhances your focus and receptivity. Picture it as wiping away the fog from a window, revealing a clearer view with each breath. Let go of distractions, allowing your mind to become a still pond ready to receive insights. Incorporating mindful breathing into your daily routine doesn't demand much time. It's like a mini reset during your day, whether it's at your desk, in a park, or before bed. A few moments of intentional breathing can make a noticeable difference. Mindful breathing isn't just a tool. It becomes a companion on your psychic journey. It's always with you, ready to bring you back to the present like a reliable friend, supporting you in staying centered amidst life's twists and turns. As we wrap up our journey into developing clairvoyance and psychic abilities, it's essential to acknowledge the simplicity and accessibility of these practices. We haven't delved into complex rituals or mystical realms. Instead, we've focused on practical, everyday approaches that anyone can incorporate into their lives. Understanding psychic abilities is about broadening your perception, like opening your eyes to additional layers of the world around you. Remember, these abilities are not exclusive gifts. They are innate potentials that can be nurtured and developed by anyone. Practical techniques such as meditation, having mentors, keeping a dream journal, and trusting your instincts serve as the foundational bricks on this journey. It's not about mastering them overnight, but about weaving them into your daily routine, gradually enhancing your psychic muscles. Fine-tuning your psychic abilities requires setting clear intentions, consistent practice, and a healthy dose of persistence. Think of it as tuning into a frequency. The clearer the signal, the sharper your psychic senses become. Cultivating personal awareness is a process of building a connection with your intuition through simple exercises and environmental awareness. It's not about drastic changes. It's about gradually brightening your understanding of yourself and the world. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration of how to develop clairvoyance and psychic abilities. In today's journey, we've unraveled practical tips from meditation to dream journaling, designed to unlock your psychic potential. Our focus has been on accessible techniques that empower you to enhance your intuition, gain clarity in life, and tap into unseen energies. No mysticism here, just everyday practices for everyone. As we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned on this transformative journey. Understanding clairvoyance. We've debunked the mystery surrounding clairvoyance, likening it to having an amplified sixth sense. It goes beyond mere sight, allowing you to perceive information beyond the obvious, like having an extra set of eyes that discern details others might miss. Purpose of developing psychic abilities. The journey isn't about predicting the future or performing magic tricks. Instead, it's akin to having a hidden toolkit for life. Psychic abilities provide insights into situations and people, aiding in self-understanding and offering a valuable cheat code for understanding others. Practical steps for development. Contrary to mysterious rituals, developing psychic abilities involves accessible and straightforward techniques. Meditation is a foundational tool, helping to calm the mind and hear your inner self more clearly. Having a mentor, keeping a dream journal, and setting clear intentions are key steps in this journey. Consistency and persistence. Psychic development is a gradual progression, not an overnight mastery. Think of it like tuning into a frequency. The clearer the signal, the sharper your psychic senses become. Persistence, dedication, and celebrating even small progress are the backbone of honing these skills. Cultivating personal awareness. Building a connection with your intuition involves simple daily practices, such as associating colors with emotions and paying attention to environmental vibes. It's about gradually brightening your understanding of yourself and the world, much like learning a new language. Mindful breathing. An often overlooked but potent tool on this journey is mindful breathing. This simple practice anchors you in the present moment, enhancing focus and receptivity. It's a reliable companion, ready to bring you back to the present amidst life's twists and turns. Remember, psychic abilities are not exclusive gifts. They are innate potentials that can be nurtured and developed by anyone. Incorporate these practical techniques into your daily routine, gradually enhancing your psychic muscles. Share your experiences below, and let's continue this transformative exploration together. Until next time, may your journey into psychic development be filled with enlightenment and self-discovery. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.